Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on chat messages notifications on Messenger. If you're using an Android device, follow these simple steps to ensure you never miss an important message again. Step 1. Open the Messenger app on your Android device. If you haven't already downloaded the app, head over to the Google Play Store and install it. Step 2. Open the desired chat with the person or group you want to receive notifications from. Step 3. Tap on the info icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up the chat settings for that particular conversation. Step 4. Look for the notifications and sound option and tap on it. This will take you to the notification settings for this chat. Step 5. Here, you'll see an option to turn on messages notifications. Toggle the switch to enable notifications for this chat. And that's it. You have successfully turned on chat messages notifications for that specific chat on Messenger. Now you can stay connected and up to date with all your conversations. Thanks for watching.